The credit repair industry is dead, and I'm here to talk about it. If you didn't know, Credit Repair Cloud was sued for TSR noncompliance. And just to give y'all the context in layman's terms, it basically means that if you're doing any telecommunication before someone becomes a client, you're TSR non-compliant, and every credit repair business has to be TSR compliant. We're gonna talk about it, and I always like to look at things like this as like a blessing in disguise because it gives us a chance of growth. It gives us an opportunity where most people are gonna complain. Everything is about how you approach it. Everything is about your mindset. So with that being said, let me share my screen and let's get straight into it.